When the polynomial 3x cubed plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 2, and when divided by x plus 1, it is 5. Find the value of a and the value of b. So in this case, we have a polynomial being divided by a linear expression, and a remainder is given. The same thing is done again with a different linear expression, and a different remainder is given. So in this case, we need to apply the remainder theorem. And just as a reminder, the remainder theorem states that when we have any polynomial f of x divided by a linear expression x minus r, that the remainder of that will equal to f of r. So in our case, we can define f of x to equal the expression given, 3x cubed plus ax plus b. And now we can use the remainder theorem, and we can say that f of 2 will equal 2. So here we're saying that when we divide by x minus 2, the remainder is equal to 2. And we can say that f of negative 1 is equal to 5. So here we're divided by x plus 1. And if you look at the remainder theorem, it's x minus r. The remainder of that will be f of r. So in this case, we have a plus 1. So that becomes f of negative 1 is equal to 5, which is the remainder given. Now we have these two equations. So we'll evaluate f of 2 here. So we have this equation after evaluating f of 2. Now we'll evaluate f of negative 1 for this equation. And so we have this equation for after evaluating f of negative 1 here. Now we have two equations with two unknowns, so we just need to solve for a and b. That's pretty straightforward. Here we can use substitutions, so I'll solve the second equation for b. And I'll get b equals a plus a. And then I can substitute that here. Simplifying this and solving for a. So we get a equals negative 10, and we can substitute that here to get the value for b. So b is equal to negative 2. So there are our values for a and b, which is our answer.